I promise I'm not trying to rush into fall by any means, but back to school is unfortunately around the corner. So I wanted to share some like kid slash like toddler sewing patterns that I think would be great for back to school, early fall, transitional weather. The like young kid, toddler, like oversized pants is definitely like everywhere, and I think it's such an easy way to get like max use out of pants because, you know, they're oversized, so they'll probably last maybe even a couple of seasons, maybe multiple years. And they're also like really great like scrap busting patterns, I find at least. Some that I really like. These are the Luca pants by The Ordinary Folk. When you think of like oversized baggy woven pants, like this is what you like think of in your mind. Definitely easy to like make a big hem and like kind of let that out as your kid starts to grow. A pattern that I think is like a step above that are the Enzo pant by Spaghetti Western Sewing. So these are like still an elastic waist pants, but they have like a carpenter style where they have a double front slash like knee patch area. So it's really great for like if your kid is like really just getting all over the ground, climbing, like you're not really worried of like ripping open that like front knee area. My daughter uses a scooter in Brooklyn. All the kids use scooters, and the amount of times that she has fallen and ripped the knee of her pants, too many to count. These are like absolutely insanely adorable. These are the Caterpillar pants by Take Two. I don't know. I have nothing else to say about them. There's nothing to say. They're just so cute. I'm obsessed with these. Needs no explanation, to be honest. No explanation. Finally, these are the tulip pants by tinyfolkpatterns. I actually pattern tested this. Again, a very simple pattern with just a little bit of like elevatedness. I love this cute little like tulip shaped bottom, and you know, I made it with a sort of cotton canvas, but definitely really cute in a lot of linen or just any sort of like easy woven. Oh my God. Guys, I'm so scared of lantern flies. Something was on my back. Oh my God. Whew. A little apple for back to school. Did that on purpose. These are the penny overalls by Ready to Sew. I love an overall because I think that, again, you can easily make a big hem or cuff the bottom and they kind of will just like last a couple of years. Really, really great for like transitional weather, whether you're putting a short sleeve shirt or a long sleeve shirt. I also think you can use a lot of different types of fabric for this. Like if you don't want to go full like canvas or denim, like I think you could even do like some sort of like lightweight terry. Could be kind of cool and like comfy. This is a pattern I currently have. It's the Kai jumpsuit, trousers, and pinafore by Notches Patterns. Okay, so this has so many different views. You can make up to 26 different garments. So you have sort of like a coverall, pants, top, a dress with like a ruffle, a jumpsuit with a ruffle, without a ruffle, with pockets. It's just like really versatile, and like I really like this pattern. It's really well written and really thought out. It's a really beautiful pattern. This is the Easy Set by Lowland Kids. I thought it'd be good to like have some sort of like just full knit set in here. I don't know what like dress codes are for kids. My kid is a toddler, so like it's fine. But I don't know how it is to get older, if you can wear shorts or not in school. But this is just a really cute oversized shirt. It's an uneven hem, so it's like shorter in the top and longer in the back, and it's just like this like really cute like 90s oversized fit, perfect for like running around, being on the playground, but also like being like comfy and cozy. My daughter's like obsessed with t-shirts, so like I need to like make her cute things like this. I stumbled upon this kids Ginny godet romper. My daughter does not like many things that I make, but I think that she would love this. She loves a skirt and she loves rompers and jumpsuits, and I think this like kind of perfectly blends that. I think that it's like swishy enough where she could spin, but also it has pants, which is great because, you know, we have her wear pants under her skirts anyway. This is just like really perfectly like fluttery and girly and really fun, but also seems really comfy cozy. I might be making this for her. This is the Tallowwood by Twine Patterns. It's basically like an overall dress. It has buttons down the full thing and then has like little cute little like ruffle pockets. I just think this is so sweet. I'm like thinking like in like a corduroy, how adorable it would be. My God, definitely more like a nicer pattern. Like if you want to like be putting in a little bit more like effort with top stitching, like this is definitely a fun way to go for that. This is another thing that I think my daughter would love. This is the sweater skirt dress, which is basically just like a sweatshirt with like a skirt attached to it. I feel like kids are really into this kind of look. I don't know why. Like this girl right here is exactly who my daughter wants to be, and I can probably make that happen for her, I guess. The baby and kids camp coat from Larae Handmade. This is again like something that the possibilities are really endless. I like the idea of this being something where you can like use different like fabric for, if you're kind of like looking for a scrap buster, something that could be oversized and last a couple of seasons. definitely unisex, so you can use it across kids if you want. It's perfect for like that fall weather where it's just like not quite cold, but you need just something to throw on very easily. I have more patterns linked in my thread loop, which you can find where you find all of my links. Some people have already given me some more suggestions that I keep adding, so it's been actually really fun. I feel like kids' patterns can be a little bit tough, and I'm really excited about making a couple of these for my kids before the school starts. And you know what? Good luck to everyone surviving the end of summer with their kids at home still, because I feel you. I see you. Thanks for tuning in. Do you have any fun staple kids patterns? I would be curious. I know it's kind of like a weird market. The kids patterns is sometimes lacking, so I'm definitely curious what everyone likes. Thank you for joining me.